Hi guys, in this video we will introducing our JavaScript. Let's get started. What is JavaScript? JavaScript is a high-level, beginner-friendly, object-based, dynamically typed, just-in-time compiled, multi-paradigm programming language. Oops, sounds crazy now. Let's understand all of these one by one. This is a bit confusing, but don't worry, you will understand all of these in this course. Let's see what high-level means. We have another type of programming language called low-level language. High-level languages are programmer-friendly language. In another hand, low-level is machine-friendly language. High-level languages are easy to understand or easy to learn, it is simple to maintain, and you will find errors easily. However, in low-level language you have difficulty to understand. And it's hard to maintain, and finding bugs is also a little complicated process. JavaScript is an object-based or prototype-based programming language. It means, in JavaScript everything is object, in the background of code execution. Prototype is simply chaining of object properties. Don't worry, you will understand later on this course. And JavaScript is a dynamically typed programming language. It means that JavaScript does not require the explicit declaration of the variables before they're used. Here is a quick example. Declare a variable with some text. We can reassign value with another data type, no problem in JavaScript, but other programming languages throw error, such as C, Java, etc. In others programming language like C, you need to firstly translate your code into bytecode manually and then run your code. But in JavaScript no need to compile your code. JavaScript engine automatically translate your code into bytecode and run line by line. Now let's talk about multi-paradigm. Firstly, what is paradigm? Paradigm means a style of writing code. In a JavaScript we have multiple paradigm, but other programming language doesn't have multiple paradigm. There are mainly three paradigm in our programming world: object-oriented programming, functional programming, procedural programming. JavaScript have all of these. This is a little bit confusing, don't worry, you will understand better. Stay tuned on this course. Let's see what we can do with JavaScript in web. Here, loading screen is appear because website data is loading. Whenever data is loaded, JavaScript simply hide this loading screen, and then show the website and data. This pop-up box is already created through HTML and CSS, but this is hidden by default. When I click on my profile, then pop-up will visible. And here also, when data is completely loaded, loading screen will be hidden through JavaScript. And here pop-up will be visible when I click on this button. And again pop-up will be hidden when I click in cross button. These are all done by the JavaScript. In this course we will learn all of these things. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.